beautiful day out there. We can expect some good action today. The seamers are drooling at all the green on this pitch today. The captains are ready to call for the toss. He goes for heads. And we have got a heads. Toss winners will bat first. Looks like he's following. Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a sad walk back for the batsman. Wowee, that's a fiery. That was sloppy. He has gifted away his wicket. He just has to play his part of building innings here, nice and slowly. He opens up his account in style with a boundary. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. Sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. He knows that every run stop counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. A very good effort between the wickets. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. He's on a knee, sweeping the bowler off their feet. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Yes. That's expensive. That'll cost them today. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. Good throw by the fielder. Gets it right back at the stumps. He didn't learn that novelty from the coach. No need to run through it. Get a light at the end of the tunnel after a long tunnel of singles. A solid boundary. Looks to slog this one between long on and long off for more runs. That's a quick bit of legwork from these two. Gets it in his hands and chucks it right back. Good stuff from the bowler. Bowls a shortish delivery this time. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. That was an expensive over. The bowler is not so impressed with that performance. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. No ball. Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. It's a free hit for the batsman at the crease. Yes. Swings away for the big one, but misses it. No dice from the free hit. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. Gets it in his hands and chucks it right back. A very good effort between the wickets. The ball. And that's four. Using his feet superbly. What a lovely shot. It's time to go for the maximum. Here comes the chance for a free hit. Big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free hit delivery. Way too many loose deliveries in that over. Costly. And it could come back to bite him. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. Yes. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. The batting side is sending in top order big guns now. That was caught with good judgment in the outfield. Bowlers on a hat-trick here. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. Great bit of fielding. Batsman in trouble. Another confident appeal from the bowler, but umpire isn't convinced. It's not out. Oh, that was so close. He's missed out on a hat-trick. We love to see this. He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. Dismissed off his first ball. Oh, he'll be really disappointed with that one. Halfway through the batting order, and the new hope for the batting steps up to the crease. Got him! He never saw that catch coming. Striker shuffles back to the pavilion. Well played. He will be disappointed though. Just before the 50-run mark, he gives a new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer. Sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. Batsman's off the mark with those runs. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Batsman's off the mark with those runs. Yes. Gee, that's a good throw by the fielder. Gets it right back at the stumps. Couldn't have added more grace to it if he tried. Wonderful boundary. Dry spell ends with that refreshing four. Yes, that's it. Oh dear. Beautifully struck. There's some fancy footwork here, and it pays off with a good boundary. That's two boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? We're up to the last ball of the over. That's very handy. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. Yes. Well judged catch by the fielder. He's gifted away his wicket. I wouldn't have forgiven. In comes the middle order. Hopefully the new batsman can stabilise things. Couldn't have added more grace to it if he tried. Wonderful boundary. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? It's up in the air, and if it finds a pair of hands, it's over. Batsman's off the mark with those runs. Walker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. Yes. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. As they say in fight sports, always go for the legs. The same goes for cricket. Poor timing, the batsman could be in real trouble here this time. A very good effort between the wickets. A little misread on the delivery. Nothing went well with that shot. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. Yes. He's dropped the sitter. Look at his teammates kicking the ground. That's a fantastic stop. Some real athletics on the field today. Yes. Yes. That's a quick bit of leg work from these two. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Batsman would be very pleased with that over. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. Slogged away to deep mid-wicket region. Had a bit of power. A very good effort between the wickets. Looks to slog this one between long on and long off for more runs. Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. Two's company, but four's a blast. What a shot. That's a quick bit of leg work from these two. He knows that every run stop counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. He has to be lightning on this one if he's going to be safe. Yes. An impressive sprint by both batsmen. Medium pace has been called into the attack now. Yes. A very good effort between the wickets. An unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting side a no ball. Now let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. Looks to slog this one Between long on and long off for more runs. Big miss. Couldn't make full use of the free hit delivery. Clean sweep. It clears the field. 4 runs. He crosses the 50-run mark. Superb innings. Smashed. That's right in the middle of the gap, and it's racing away to the boundary. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? He's on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now and try and look for some wickets. He just hasn't been able to control the line or the length on this spell. That's it. He's gone. He's played right into the fielder's hands. Excellent innings.